When people hear the name LaFerrari, expectations immediately go through the roof, and honestly, they should. The original LaFerrari wasn't just a car, it was a moment in automotive history. Now, with talk and anticipation around a 2026 LaFerrari, Ferrari fans are once again holding their breath. Visually, the 2026 LaFerrari is expected to stay true to Ferrari's hypercar DNA while pushing things further into the future. Think sharper lines, more aggressive aerodynamics, and a shape that looks sculpted by airflow itself. The front would likely be low and wide, with sleek headlights and deep air channels that give it that unmistakable Ferrari presence. Every angle would be designed to look fast even when it's standing still. Around the back, expect a dramatic rear profile with advanced lighting, bold diffuser elements, and a design that screams performance without being overstyled. Ferrari has always been about elegance mixed with aggression, and the 2026 LaFerrari would carry that balance perfectly. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. Ferrari is expected to keep the heart of the LaFerrari philosophy alive, a powerful V12 paired with advanced hybrid technology. This setup wouldn't just be about raw speed, but instant response and a driving feel that connects the car to the driver. The sound, the acceleration, the emotion, that's what Ferrari does best, and the 2026 LaFerrari would likely push those sensations even further. Inside, the cabin would be minimal, focused, and driver-centric. Expect high-end materials like carbon fiber, premium leather, and Alcantara, all wrapped around a cockpit designed to keep your eyes on the road. The tech would feel modern but not distracting, everything serving the driving experience rather than stealing attention from it. As for pricing, this is where reality kicks in. A 2026 LaFerrari wouldn't just be expensive, it would be exclusive. Limited production, sky-high demand, and a price tag reserved for collectors and Ferrari's most loyal customers. This wouldn't be a car you casually order, it would be an invitation-only masterpiece. Compared to the original LaFerrari, the 2026 version would represent evolution rather than replacement. More refined, more advanced, but still deeply emotional. It wouldn't try to erase the past, it would honor it while stepping confidently into the future. At the end of the day, the 2026 LaFerrari wouldn't just be about numbers or speed. It would be about passion, legacy, and Ferrari reminding the world why the name still carries so much weight. If you want, I can. Make it more hype. Make it more luxury focused. Or rewrite it for short-form voiceover. Just tell me.